So we've been painting these cute pumpkin rocks since 2022 when we did the series of 4 cute Halloween designs. We've done them every year since, and this year is no exception. I just painted 5 brand new ones the other day while we were doing our live Halloween rock painting series. So as you can see here, if you're filling in your ovals with the extra fine tip paint pen, if you hold your tip to the side slightly, you can fill more space and you can protect the tip of your paint pen. Now let them dry and give them a second coat. I suggest with your second coat, leaving the lines the way that the ribbing would be in the pumpkin. Next, we're going to add on stems. Start with an arch at the top of your pumpkin and then a line above it and then curve in either way. Then add on your vines. Just play with your vines. Let them flow and bounce off your pumpkin. You can let them curl or you can leave them straight. But I do like to go back and make them a little bit thicker where they attach to the stem. Next, we're going to come in and do our lining and add on our face. As you can see, I like to do wide set eyes and a small smile. You can make the pupils big like I did here, or you can make them small depending on if you want a double or single dot at the end. When lining your vine, you do want to make sure that you lift up your pen so that you can create a loop if you have a curl. You'll see this up close when we come back with our green to fill it in, and you can also touch up if you make a mistake lining your curl when you come back with your green. That little overlap is such a cute detail. Don't overlook it. Dotting your eyes, if you double dot, 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 dot in the same spot and then a single dot right below it, or you can do a single dot like you see in some of the others. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy, cute rock painting tutorial.